2.4 Answer the following questions. 1. Describe the functions of different valves in human heart and veins. ANS. The valves in the human heart regulate blood flow between the chambers and prevent backflow, while the valves in the veins help to maintain proper blood pressure by allowing blood to flow in one direction and preventing backflow. 2. How does human heart work? ANS. The human heart works as a muscular pump that contracts and relaxes rhythmically to circulate blood throughout the body. Blood flows into the heart through the atria, then into the ventricles, and is pumped out of the heart through the arteries. The heart is regulated by electrical impulses that control its rhythm and rate, and it receives oxygen and nutrients through its own blood supply. 3. Explain the structures and functions of the following. Arteries, veins, capillaries. ANS arteries. The blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart are called arteries. Aorta is the main artery. It branches to form small arteries. The arteries branch again to form arterioles. Capillaries. The arterioles divide and become tiny vessels called capillaries. Capillaries provide a large surface area for the exchange of materials between the blood and the tissues. Veins. Capillaries reunite to form small veins called venules. The venules join to form bigger veins. The veins carry blood back to the heart. ANS. When we breathe in, rib muscles contract, pulling the ribs up and out, and chest cavity expands. At the same time, diaphragm contracts and flattens. The space inside the chest cavity becomes larger. As a result, air enters into the lungs. This is called inspiration. The reverse of this process is called expiration. 5. Describe the composition of blood. ANS blood. Our blood is 55% plasma and 45% blood cells suspended in the plasma. Plasma is 92% water. Plasma without fibrinogen and blood cells is called serum. Blood cells are of 3 types, i.e., red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells. Red blood cells are disc-shaped and slightly concave on both sides. They contain hemoglobin, which gives them red color. This is the hemoglobin in the red blood cells, which carries oxygen from the lungs and supplies it to all the body cells during blood circulation. White blood cells. White blood cells are colorless. They have no colored pigment. They are part of the body's immune system. They help the body fight infection and other diseases. Platelets. Platelets are not complete cells. These are fragments of cytoplasm enclosed by membranes. Platelets play an important role in blood clotting. They also help to slow or stop bleeding and healing wounds.